Okay, basically what you're going to do for this exercise is two different types of value scales. One in steps that are defined by squares. Each value has its own square. Then you're going to do one where it's blended, where it gradually, means slowly, turns from a very dark color, black, to dark gray, medium gray, light gray, eventually fades out. The way we achieve this is using a different amount of pressure on your pencil. For the blended shading scale, I have a sharp pencil, so I have a long point, and I hold it on the side. Now I start light and go dark. So I'm going to start with the side of my pencil, and I'm just going to go up and down. That's the easiest, so that's what I want you to do. Up and down, very lightly. As I'm moving towards the left, I'm pressing down a little bit more. I'm applying more pressure to the pencil. Pressing down, pressing down. Now I'm really pressing hard. Start adding the black. Now as I'm moving to the right, now I'm loosening up on the pressure. Blend. Check. Okay, see where it needs more dark. See how it's going so far. Helps if you blend a little bit. Check. Okay. Again, see how it goes from dark to medium. It's not that smooth. Just want to add a little bit of dark in there to smoothen it out a bit. And then here, what's good about this is you can take your finger and just spread it out. Okay. Now, when you blend pencil, it's going to smudge everywhere. I like to take an eraser, just clean up the edges like that. That's sufficient enough. Dark, black, medium gray, light gray. Now let's start with the squares. Without a ruler, just roughly sketching 5 squares. They don't have to be a certain size, and they don't have to be straight. This one's going to be white. This one's going to be as black as you can get it. Medium gray, darker gray, very light gray. And same thing, you're filling up the square. I'm pressing down really hard. See that? Really hard on my pencil. With the black, you don't have to do a lot of smoothing because it's going to be solid because you're pressing down so hard, so you don't really need to smooth this out. The next one, a little darker, close to this but not too close so that it looks the same. Okay. Now this one we're going to have to blend, so I'm going to take my finger, really rub it in there, blend it. Okay, this is a little bit lighter gray, so I'm not going to press as much. Blend it with my finger. Even lighter gray. Barely touching the paper. I mean, look how I'm holding the pencil all the way up here. You don't want to hold it like this. You want to be very loose with it. Once again, I dropped my pencil. Where's my pencil? Here's another one. Okay, see, got an extra pencil. Okay, now you notice these two are about the same, so I'm going to make this a little darker. I'm going to go back to it, and if you make it a little darker and it still looks like this one, then make this one a little darker. You got to play with it, get it right. Okay, scale goes from dark to light in equal steps. Okay, here I am still. Okay, this is again a little sloppy. It's okay. I'm not looking for neatness. I'm just looking for different values. This is the dark value. The next value up, the middle value, almost the white value, and then the white value. Okay, that is what you're doing. 2 value scales, 1 smooth, and this is called a gradation. When it gradually goes from dark to light and you don't see any lines, it's called a gradation. That's what's needed. And then this is a step scale because each of these squares is considered a step.